Hello kids, hi, good morning. In general awareness, today we are going to see about water cycle. Water cycle. Do you know children where the rain comes from or how the clouds are formed? Let me tell you how it happened. First step is water evaporates due to sunlight. Water evaporates due to sunlight. Let us assume this water body as a sea. Okay. Let us assume this water body as a sea. The water in this sea is heated by the sun in the sky. So the heated water slowly changes into a tiny droplets of water. First step is the water in this water body is heated by the sun in the sky. So the heated water is slowly changes into a tiny droplets of water. That is the first step. Second step is goes up. Goes up. These water droplets are very light. So they float in the air like bubbles and reaches up in the sky. Okay. These droplets are very light. So they float in the air and reaches up in the sky. That is the second step, goes up. Next, the third step is forms as clouds. Forms as clouds. In the sky, lots of these droplets come together and form a big grey and fluffy clouds. Lots of these droplets come together and form a big grey and fluffy clouds. Next, then the fourth step is falls as rain. Second, falls as rain. Now the cloud is too heavy. The cloud does not contain so much of water. So the water in them comes down as a small drops. We call that drops as rain. Okay, what is this? Raindrops. Okay. When it rains, then the fifth step is come back to the sea or river. Come back to the sea or river. When it rains, the water gets collected in the sea. When it rains, the water gets collected in the sea. Then again, the water in the sea is heated by the sun in the sky. Then tiny droplets are found again. Then they float in the air and reaches up in the sky. And there they form clouds. And then it falls as rain. And then again, the rain gets collected in the sea. This process goes on and on. It is called the water cycle. Okay, now let us see water cycle in detail in video format.
Water in seas, lakes, ponds, rivers is heated by the sun in the sky. So, the heated water is these water bodies slowly changes to tiny droplets of water. These droplets are very light. So, they float in the air just like bubbles. They keep moving up towards the sky. In the sky, lots of these droplets come together. Now, they change into big, grey and fluffy clouds. Then comes a time when these clouds have a lot of water in them. Do you know what happens then? These clouds cannot hold so much water. So, the water in them comes down as small drops. We call these drops rain. The rainwater also fills ponds and lakes. In river. The river then flows into the sea. So, all the water changed by the sun's heat goes on and on. So, it is called the water cycle.
Dear parents, while doing this experiment, make sure your child is slightly away from the gas stove. Don't let your child near the gas stove. Dear children, you can also see water vapor at home. Just tell your mummy to heat some water in a beaker. And as the water gets heated, you will be able to see the water vapor rising up in the air. Now, close the beaker with the lid. When you open the lid after some time, you will be able to see water droplets on a lid. Then, few minutes later, these water droplets changes into a liquid water. If you again heat this liquid water, the water gets evaporates, then they will form tiny water droplets and then it will changes into a liquid water again. So this process goes on and on. So it is the water cycle. Okay kids, did everyone watch the video? வீடியோ எல்லாரும் பார்த்தீங்களா? மிஸ் வீடியோவில் ஒரு எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட்டும் சொல்லியிருந்தேன்ல. என்ன எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட்மா? எஸ் வாட்டர் சைக்கிள் எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். அந்த எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் நீங்கள் பண்ணக்கூடாது சரிங்களா? உங்கள் அப்பா அல்லது உங்கள் அம்மா தான் அது செய்வாங்க. நீங்கள் தூரத்துலேருந்து பார்க்கணும். உங்கள் அப்பா அம்மா அந்த எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் செய்யும்போது நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா கிச்சன் கிட்டேயோ இல்லை கேஸ் ஸ்டவ் கிட்டேயோ நிற்கக்கூடாது. நீங்கள் லிவிங் ரூமில் தான் இருக்கணும் சரிங்களா? உங்கள் அப்பா அம்மா கிச்சனில் அந்த எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் செஞ்சு உங்கள் கிட்ட வந்து காமிப்பாங்க. நீங்கள் தூரத்தில் இருந்து தான் பார்க்கணும் சரிங்களா? இப்போ அந்த எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் அந்த ஹாட் வாட்டர் அங்கே இருக்குன்னா நீங்கள் தூரத்தில் இருந்து தான் அந்த வாட்டர் வேப்பர் தென் அதோட டைனி ட்ராப்லெட்ஸ்லாம் தூரத்தில் நின்று தான் பார்க்கணும். அந்த ஹாட் வாட்டர் கிட்ட நீங்கள் போகக்கூடாது. ஓகேவா? ஓகே கிட்ஸ், டைம் ஃபார் மீ டு கோ. See you in the next class. Bye.